Homeless shelter. I never thought I would be here, not at this point. Feeling dizzy and confused, like I just hit a joint. Don't know where to go, gotta keep my head up. I'm an almond joy boy, don't wanna nut up. I got God first, I know with him I can't lose. But today, right now, man, I'm singing the blues. I need help fastly, quickly at best. Because I give praise, you help me handle my stress. I would say more, but really, what can I say? When I go through these problems almost every damn day. I should give it up. If I could, I would. If I didn't know the value of my soul so good. But what is the question? No monetary amount could make me reconsider that way out. But daily a thought, like right now, my friend, got me looking for the devil, trying to barter it in. I'm living proof God's love immensely, because I capture pain in this book called Victory. January 16th, McDonald's lobby, 6 Mile and Lasser.